here we are, probably the first real day of summer this year, and what better day than to take out a range of vertical of noble late harvest, yes of course, Chenin Blanc. That's the only way it should be. No, not really. I'll bow to Riesling perhaps, but Chenin Blanc, the king of noble late harvest, the most beautiful wines from Bonzo, the noble late harvest that you get from those vintages when the sunshine allows a little bit of ripeness to take place in the botrytis, and the botrytis doubles, triples, quadruples, focuses and defines the fruit of an entire vintage. What you end up with is this deep essence, this concentration. It may well be a photograph of a vintage in one sip. We should try it.